Welcome to another PRReach.com video news release. In today's news, brand behind premium kitchen products soon to launch new manual coffee grinder. Online merchant Frux Home & Yard has recently announced that they will be releasing their newest kitchen product, a manual coffee grinder with conical burr mill. The said product will soon be available on the company's website and Amazon storefront. Apart from not needing batteries or other power sources to operate, the hand-operated machine offers a myriad of benefits. For one, it offers great precision control through the 18-click settings, allowing the user to adjust coarseness based on their liking. The grinder is ideal for pour-over, drip, cold brew, French press, percolator, and espresso makers. It can be taken virtually anywhere, including camping, hiking, backpacking, outdoor trips, or just about any place where a coffee craving strikes. When used for grinding, the machine works silently without reducing the flavor and aroma coffee is known for. The company says that this is in contrast with mechanical grinders, which strip off the taste, apart from being loud during operation. The grinder is strategically made to last 5 times longer than traditional steel models. Thanks to its ceramic combo construction, it will serve coffee lovers a lot of cups for many years to come. Frux Home & Yard is yet to announce the launch date of the manual coffee grinder. To be the first to know, the seller recommends everyone to stay tuned by following the company's official Facebook page at Frux Home & Yard, or by visiting their official website, fruxhomeyard.com. And to learn more about this video news release, visit prreach.com.